Ono ndete nkwa nege songo kerega. Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir. The people of Morabu constituency, they have sent me here to represent their interests. Honorable Speaker, the people of KEBASO ward, they have the worst roads in the Republic of Kenya. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want you tomorrow to summon the Cabinet Secretary for Roads to come to this honorable house and say whether the people of KEBASO are Kenyans. And if they are Kenyans, they pay taxes. And if they pay taxes, they deserve roads like other parts of the country. Chinkobi chingororo. Chinkobi chingororo. Nigere chinkobi rora. Chinkobi chuka ma. Manuzi leo wasoku. Manuzi leo wasoku. Mr. Speaker, sir. Mnasema, hey, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir. The people of Morabu constituency, they have sent me here to say that 5,000 young men have graduated in the army and the military, yes? And there was no single person from Morabu constituency. Mr. Speaker, sir, we want to say this. If Morabu constituency is not a part of Kenya, we want to be given our title deed, we go with it home, you know? Mr. Speaker, sir, stop turning off the microphone. I am not here by your invitation. I am here courtesy of the votes of the people of Morabu constituency, who gave me 50,000 votes against my unworthy opponent who got only 3,800 votes. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is poverty in Morabu constituency. People have become poor because of bad economic policies. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to say this today, that Kenya has a budget of 4.2 trillion. Mr. Speaker, sir, the people of Morabu constituency deserve development and economic progress. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want industries that are going to employ our youth who have gone to school, have papers, and are sleeping at home without jobs. Ngakina kwanira. Esonge kingelie getini. Ngotoro jimbi ya mwakolete kongire school. Mwakolete bia. Mukangire sukuru nkabali lisasi. Lisasi.